Google Slides is Google's presentation tool. So in the top right here, we're able to edit the name of the piece of work, and similar to Google Docs, we still have those options to download as a PowerPoint, and we have the version history of the document as well. Now, when we're creating a presentation, it may be that we want to add additional slides to our presentation. So the drop-down menu gives us different layouts that are already accessible to anybody who's working in Google Slides. But we're able to then edit the page as we see fit for the slide presentation that we're trying to create. Now, it may be that you want to have pupils working and using Google Slides for a different purpose than a presentation. So if you want, you can also go to File, and in the page setup, you're able to create a custom page setup where learners are able to work as an A4 piece of paper in portraits would be. And the measurements for that are 8.3 by 11.7 inches, and then it will cause the page to become portrait. Now, if pupils are working on their own presentations, they can add different pages to their slides. And then when they're working, they're able to use different items that they can add to their work to demonstrate and support any presentation that they're being asked to give. Now, when they're creating those things, it may be that they choose to rearrange the order with their items that they have on the screen. So if they select the item they want to arrange, they can then go up to Arrange at the top and select the order and reorder those items that they have that they've added to their piece of work. If I add an image, I can search the web, and if I search for a photo I would like to use, I can then add that to my presentation. And if I use the crop tool, I can crop it to make it smaller. Or I'm also able to crop that into a different shape. So we're able to crop our different images to different shapes. Now, as I'm creating this as a presentation, I can also have transitions between my slides where I select the type of transition that I would like to use. I can apply this to all my slides, or I can have different transitions for each one. I'm also, if I select individual aspects of my presentation, I'm also able to add animations to those, so that as I click on different things, I can change the order to which my presentation happens, so that when I'm presenting, I have the relevant pieces of information appearing as I'm delivering my presentation.